In this video, I'll show you how to organize a multi-tier network. We'll consider a supply chain with factories producing home and garden products in Xiamen and Shenzhen, which are provided with the required components by the supplier located in Shantou. The products are purchased by customers in Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, South America, and the European and Asian parts of Russia. Let's check out the scenario data. Supplier, factories, ports, and distribution centers, list of customers and their locations, information about the products. 5 products are produced within the supply chain: furniture, large home appliances, gardening equipment, lighting, and small appliances from the corresponding components. The periodic demand for each customer. Product storages. This table allows users to define the inventory stock parameters. As you can see, we can store all products in any site. Bills of materials. In this table, users can specify a list of components and the quantities needed to produce the end product. Production. This table allows users to define products that will be produced by the specified facility, the corresponding costs and production limitations. As you can see, each factory must produce not less than 10,000 units. Product flows. This table allows users to configure sourcing parameters. Vehicle types. In this table, users can define all types of vehicles that are used to ship products in the supply chain. Paths, which connect location points within the supply chain by the specific vehicle type. As you can see, for every path, we can set the formula for calculating transportation cost. Facility expenses. Assets constraints. This table allows users to define the minimum and maximum number of DCs to consider. The goal is to determine the best shipping method for each customer, taking into account the following constraints. Products to North and South American customers can be delivered from the port or through the DCs located on the same continent. Let's filter the table by the North American customers group to check out how to define the corresponding constraint. Products to African and Australian customers can be delivered only from the corresponding ports. Products to Asian, European, and Russian customers can be delivered only from the corresponding DCs. We also need to define the desired number of sites. We can open 1 or 2 DCs in North America and in South America. In total, we can't open less or more than 1 DC in Europe and Russia. In Asia, we can only use 1 DC in China and 1 in India. Now that all the data is complete, let's run the experiment and analyze the results. The results are available in the dashboard in the form of statistics. The result options table depicts the best set of network nodes, profit, and local flows amount. Scenario data and experiment results can be displayed on the map view, as well as on the structure view. The structure view shows the logic structure of the scenario. It depicts the main elements of the supply chain: customers, DCs, factories, suppliers with their connections. The structure view allows you to reorganize and filter the elements on its layout, making the whole idea of the supply chain look more transparent. The result of the experiment suggests opening the following DCs: DC Chandripur in India, DC Brussels in Europe, DC Moscow in the European part of Russia, DC Nanchang in China, DC Dallas in North America, DC Sao Paulo, and DC Buenos Aires in South America. We can see more detailed results in the dashboard. For example, the operating sites table shows detailed statistics on costs of the open supply chain sites during all periods. And all the financial statistics are illustrated in the overall stats table. All statistics tabs are fully customizable, and you can export the content to an MS Excel file. That is how network optimization in anyLogistix allows users to determine the best supply chain configuration. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to use anyLogistix to solve your supply chain challenges, please feel free to contact us by email.